Hi everyone. Oops. Let me see. Okay, so this pair that I was get it from um try 4 buy. Yeah, this is 4 buy. Okay, at this point when the I just want to say thank you Henny for this pair. We're looking for a buy. Yeah, I'm also looking for a buy. And I always just started from my big boys from 15 first. 15 first, and once then I check the daily will cross the line over here. I guess I didn't get the buy because see, let me see. Okay, bought this price over here. Stronger buyer coming back. So basically when I start my day, then before I took a trade, I always look at it from the back from here, and then I can see this is I drew a line from this area. It looked like to a channel to me, but in the 15. Three, okay. I said 3 minutes. I probably forgot to draw this line over here. It looks like it's acting like a channel. I'm trying to recap because I didn't do the other post analysis that I was trying to. I'm trying to make us a video and memorize everything before after trade. So after trade that today's the 4th November 14. I couldn't have a time to do the PA for that because I was running to get to work. But anyways, let's get into it. So basically, I was reading this pair. I felt back in my mind, I was feeling I'm not sure because the buyer was weak and the seller came choppy. I like it, but then at 5 p.m. I was waiting. Once the seller came down, but the buyer half of it, and then the buyer came up. And I showed some volume, and I just waited to get certain give me a range, uh, a range area to able to buy. But then I noticed that point around 5:36 or 5:30 when the news came out. I put a note right here that the news came out and the news react. So when the news came out, I was waiting for like a couple 10 second or 20 second, and after they react from this area, just came out from there. And react this areas. Let me go back the way why that time the news reacted. Okay, so the news reacted from the US to 5:30. It was a minus. This one I don't know. But whatever the speech that make the reaction very strong, and -3, 0.3, but they expected worse. but I think it's still worse because I feel it's worse, and I should. My mistake is that I should have got out when the news about to come out, and either it probably hit half my alarm, or either hit my stop loss, and I lost. I lost for this trade, and for that reason, now I know that when news come out and people react on it, maybe I could get a trade for going down further. Yeah, and then and then my thoughts, like my thoughts. I was looking for that's a very strong break, but my ego kicks in, say no, let's still go for a buy, try again. So, but then I say the news reacted. Why you want to try again? They reacted to the downside. So you try to get a pullback, you get a better price to go for a sell. For that reason, my mind was not calm. My mind was still was so focused on a full buy. Either I was eager enough that forget about the fundamental and keep going for the buy. So, but then I say to myself, if the buy doesn't work, I don't trade at all no more. Done for a trade, you know. Then I will learn. I just don't know. I kind of need a feedback for that news reaction, and should and fundamental, if the news react the price and react the news, I should go with the float, go to a sell, and I would get at least better risk and reward. I would have got something. Let me see. Yeah, try something. Okay. Oh, no, no. Anyways, I would have got a risk reward better from down to the downside, but then I was still looking for a buy because the daily was like the strong buyer. But then I should be careful next time to get better is when the news reacted and how big is the reaction. So it is, to me, it's pretty big from 3 minutes of it, and then when you look at 15 from there, it's pretty big, the react of the news. And I would have got a cheese rate from there. At that moment, I think I was doing a set 1, set 2, and then set 2 came up, and then make a pro, and then start going down. From there, I don't know. I lost this part, so I didn't lose the whole thing. I probably put a alarm in this area, but I think I was like I put it done for a trade, so I didn't. I probably lost and how many hours in there? Lost 1 hour. Okay, area. You see. Yeah, 0.5 hours, but it was a bit loss size. So for my mistake, when the news came out and then reacted, I shouldn't trade for buy side anymore. I should just be careful and not to trade, or go with the float go to the sell side. But then and do the reading better. And once I do the reading here, I still in the back of my mind, oh, go for a buy, go for a buy. But then sell came up, then later on, the buyer came up. But that buyer, it took like at least 1 hour to come up, and then it failed. It got rejected, and then went down further. So I just want to say that I think I failed in my mistake when the news reacted. I should go with the flow, or either not to trade, find another pair to trade, or either not to fight for it, because I feel that was not worth it. And I'm kind of reason why I drew this line, because it showed some volume. It hit another pro and went back up, and then I didn't took the price out because I was aiming for the price back, so for a buy here. But it didn't hit all the way here. It hit this certain spot right here, and I didn't took my profit. I was waiting for it. I just let it run, and after that I say, I'm done. Done for the trade. It hit me 2 times. I'm done. And for now, I'm trying to train myself to have a 2 trade maximum and calculate the lot size better. So, and I felt when I hit 2 trade, I felt my emotion came out. I activate my anger. I activate my confusion, and I activate a lot of things. And I didn't meditate that time too, so I wasn't calm. So that was a mistake. So next time I will do better. And please give me a feedback. Feel free what I did wrong. And let me zoom out for now. But anyways, I still thank you for Henny for announce this pair. But it was a bad trade, but it's cool. I'm trying figure it out. And what else? Maybe I had to go back to ITP to learn everything, recap, and I got the members of the UF elite members, and I will just check it out, the study more of the UF training, and try to get better next week. But thank you for watching. Feel free to give me a feedback. Um, I, I realize I do a lot. Okay, just thank you for watching. Just give me a feedback, and I appreciate it.